Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video, I'm gonna tell you about does your Vivo smartphone have slow motion video recording or not. Let's check in this video. Before watching this video, if you have not subscribed to our YouTube channel, then subscribe to it and like our video. So let's start friends. First, let's open the camera. Then you can just click on this more feature, and in this you will see here it is slow-mo. Tap on this slow-mo and it is now activated. Here it is showing. Click on this and make a short video like this, and I have make it. I will show you. And you can see how slow the video is, and this is a slow motion video. This is how you can make it. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then subscribe to our YouTube channel for more helpful tips and tricks videos. See you next time.